What is up, YouTube? Super Charlie, I am back. We are headed to the drag strip today, going racing again. I need to go get some money so I can go participate today, and then we'll get on the road and get there. See you soon.
Use the right lane to keep right to merge onto State Route 125 North.
Gotta get close. See if we can get this. Alright guys, it is a beautiful day out here in Verona, a little hot. We are going to tape up the side of the car. I'm probably not going to mess with tire pressure too much. It really didn't seem to make a difference last time, so I'm going to test it without. Just trying to make some runs, get some practice in. It's about 88 degrees, so I mean, heat soak is going to definitely kick in. But yeah, we're just waiting for the crew to come out and see what happens. Well guys, I won my first race, barely, by 0.018 of a second, but I'll take it. I couldn't get zero traction. That was my first pass, so good first pass, 8.5 at 94, and we'll see if we can just do better. Alright guys, so I just got a new personal best, 775. Personal best was a 777. So second try, personal best right now, 7.7, stock Hellcat, stock tires, not too bad, 96 miles an hour. So we're getting there, making progress. Let's get it, baby, let's get that 7.6. I'm gonna get destroyed by this drag car though. About to get destroyed. Back that thing up, dude. My tires are getting cold. That reaction time felt pretty bad. Let's see what happened. Yeah, guys. So that little lull in the pedal I gave it gave me a 7.78. Not too bad though. Still ran 96 miles an hour, so we're gonna let this thing chill for a second. Oh my God, my reaction time was a 0.6. The guy's was a 0.1, so yeah, he killed me, dude. But I got a 1.960 foot on stock tires. What's good, play boy? I'll take it. All right, see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I gotta film this.
You want to go and figure out where it goes? That's fine.
So Paul was generous enough to give me 325 to try, so we're gonna do that.
Yes, sir. Break Simmons today.
All right, guys. First hit with drag radials. Let's see how this thing does. Holy shit. That was fast. Oh, that was fast. All right, guys, my first pass with drag radials on ever. Already 0.2 of a second faster with a 7.5. At 98 miles an hour. We can do better than that. I wasn't ready to the launch. I wanted to test it, so we'll see if we can get better than that. Hell yeah.